Ever feel like someone's watching you at the airport? That's because they are. Airports aren't just filled with travelers rushing into their next destination. They're also filled with thieves who know exactly when and where you're vulnerable. And no, it's not just pickpocketers. Sometimes the thieves are working security, sitting next to you on the plane, or casually walking off with someone else's suitcase. I'm Matt Griffith, the Americano, and today I'm breaking down the biggest airport scams and thefts and how to outsmart them. Because if you think your stuff is safe at the airport, think again. Let's start with the most obvious danger zone, TSA security. Here's why thieves love security lines. You're juggling bins, taking off your shoes, pulling laptops, and fumbling with liquids. You're forced to step away from your valuables while going through the scanner. Everyone is rushed, stressed, and distracted. And thieves, they know exactly how to take advantage of this. How to protect yourself? Wait to push your bin through until you're next in line to walk through the scanner. Use zippered pockets or a fanny pack to keep valuables close. Don't just throw them loose in a bin. Keep an eye on your stuff. Don't get distracted by the chaos. And airport employees might not be who you think they are. It's not just random thieves. Sometimes the thieves are the very people meant to protect you. Miami International Airport, TSA agents were caught stealing from people's bins. In the Philippines, an officer swallowed stolen cash on camera, claims she was eating chocolate. Moral of the story? Keep an eye on your stuff at all times, no matter who's around. Gate changes, delays, last-minute sprints to catch a flight. This is prime time for pickpocketers. People are distracted, rushing and not thinking about their bags, which makes them easy targets. How do you protect yourself? Well, secure your valuables before moving, not while you're sprinting across the airport. Use an anti-theft backpack or zippered fanny pack to keep essentials close. Sleeping in the airport? A risky move. Ever had an overnight layover? You know the drill. You find a semi-comfortable corner and use your bag as a pillow and pray no one robs you while you sleep. How to protect yourself? Sleep near other people. Safety in numbers. Thread your bag strap around your leg or arm so no one can snatch it. Use a carabiner to clip your bag to your belt loop or chair. Traveling solo? You know the struggle. What do you do with your bags when you need to use the bathroom? How to protect yourself? Well, if possible, check your bag instead of carrying multiple items. Use a stall with a hook or loop the strap around your leg. Never leave your bag unattended, not even for a second. Nothing screams rob me like standing in the middle of an airport looking confused. Thieves love this, because when you look like you need help, it's the perfect opportunity for a pickpocket to approach you. How do you protect yourself? Fake it till you make it. Even if you're lost, look like you know what you're doing. If you need directions, ask at an official help desk. Ever left your phone charging just out of reach while you sat nearby? Thieves love this. They wait for you to turn your head, then snatch your device. How do you protect yourself? Well, use a power bank instead of public outlets. Never leave your phone unattended. You think you're safe once you're on the plane. Think again. Thieves have been caught stealing cash from carry-ons while passengers sleep on long-haul flights. How do you protect yourself? Well, keep valuables under the seat in front of you. Rotate overhead bags so zippers face the wall. The longer your bag sits on the carousel, the higher the chance someone else walks off with it. How do you protect yourself? Get to baggage claim ASAP. Use an AirTag or towel tracker in case your bag gets stolen. And in my case, I use both of those because there's places where people don't have iPhones and the AirTag doesn't work. And Tile has gotten better now that it got acquired, so more people have the app that it uses. I just find that having both is the perfect mix. Airports are prime targets for thieves, but with the right strategies, you can keep your stuff safe. Drop a comment. Have you ever had something stolen at the airport? Let me know. I'd love to hear the story. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay safe out there. Until next time, take care.